So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, whenever you are watching us. So, I want to share with us that I traded GBPUSD today on the 6th of May 2026. So, uh, if you have watched my previous videos yesterday, I showed that the market is tracing back to this place, to this liquidity pool right here. I showed my plan yesterday, and right now we are progressing on that pullback. So, like in trading, if you are able to spot, if you are able to trade pullbacks perfectly, you get it. If you are able to trade pullbacks perfectly, you get it, because my initial plan was to wait for market to get here, but when I saw market do this, so I had to like jump it. Though I broke my own rules on this market, I traded Asian session. Yes, I saw what the market did, and I was like, okay, market is supposed to come here and do this and do that. So, but I was right though, because that's my age, that's my strategy, that's what I trade. But I broke my own rules because I said I was not supposed to trade Asian session. So let me show us how I traded this market. So yesterday I told us that there was a 15 minutes buy for that block right here. 15 minutes buy that block right here. So when price mitigated it, if you remember our trade yesterday, you can remember that we entered here and we stopped somewhere around here. So now, after market cause market structure shift from here on our 5-minute time frame, you can see immediately market mitigated it. This was the last low that came to break structure here. So this is very much our protected low. As you can see, it's a protected low because when market got there, market mitigated it and reversed back before eventually going to break it. So immediately I saw the market structure shift, I see there was a demand zone right there. So I marked that demand zone out as my liquidity, because this was the zone that came to break structure here. Let's see, there was a break of structure here, and also that was the zone that caused the market shift too. So I have to mark out my zone here. There was another block here. If it goes to 15 minutes, there was another block here. So, and this low right here went to sweep liquidity before going on to break structure. So that's my edge. This is what I trade. So like I said, if you are able to spot pullbacks well, you'll be able to get the market. But the most important thing is to trade your edge. Trade what you see. If you look at my videos, you'll see repeated patterns. That's my edge. That's what I trade. If I don't see my edge, I don't trade. Sometimes I trade, but you need to spot liquidity before you trade. So as you can see, immediately market mitigated this zone right here, this zone that swept liquidity before going up. So I placed my entry in the middle, just like I said, in the middle of the fair value gap. Then the market swept this zone, these are liquidity right here, then boom. So like I always say, when you are trading, like you trade from a demand zone. When you are trading from a demand zone, you trade to the next supply zone, and when you are trading from a supply zone, you trade to the next demand zone. So that's exactly what I did here. I traded from a demand zone right here to a supply zone right here. You can see now that when market indicated this supply zone right here, market starts reacting. So it is possible that this supply zone moves market. So like I said in my previous video, no matter how small the supply zone is, it has the power to move the market. This supply zone right here has the power to move the market, change the market structure. So that's it. So that's it, guys. Don't be greedy, don't be trade your edge. So thank you.